flash.
Star quality is what you don't have.
But I know the one thing that pop out about FOOTZ. What? A toe tag. So
I know the one thing that pop out of FOOTZ. A toe tag.
No gas.
Ooh, they got some pretty ass behind them right now on me.
In your house with a 4/5, like bro, man, I'm with the drama. Hit. Go ahead. In your house with a 4/5,
like bruh, man.
I'm with the drama. Hit DNA with a magazine like Saga. That's only if you.
Magazine. With DNA. Oh my God, hit DNA magazine like Saga. Let's go, boy.
Ace, she, Swerve. I mean, they tried developing cannons but couldn't click it quicker.
Polaroid, because they needed a wave to get in the picture.
Crazy, crazy. Polaroid, they needed a wave to get in the. This! I'm not about to watch this motherfucker bad. Watch these do that to SAFLARE and them like that.
Give them no breathing room. Then a toolie bang. Toolie bang. Toolie bang. Here we go with that dumb. Them 3 lines the same. I know. I know, y'all. I'm just going back to where I started. Like a boomerang.
Crazy. Crazy. I was going back where I started like a boomerang.
You know what got me pissed off? What? Is that they managed by 2 people that go by the name of P and Cows.
P Cows.
It's the remix to Ignition.
Right.
Track fresh out the kicks.
Right.
Ain't letting nobody
leave without their permission.
Right. This battle is over, man.
I'm about to brag. I can tell y'all full of shit. I'm the feeling real constipated, and with the rifle I'ma aim, straight concentrating. Wow! Now you nothing like me. Name bugs across the map, everywhere in the streets, everywhere I'm beat. So listen here, stop hating on me. This one call to get you wrapped like ancient mummy. Lloyd, I think dude is dummy. He the type to grab his ass and turn around and think it's funny. No, that ain't funny. That's on some. I ought to tie you up and check you by your dreads on that bass shit.
Crazy.
John, you not a legend.
I'm an icon.
And we both cut from a different cloth.
Nylon.
We let bygones
Be bygones.
These shoes,
you shouldn't try
it could go from a busted foot
to the baby out of nowhere.
They busted from a busted foot. Yo, this. Get in that bag. Spitting that trash. Whipping that ass.
Now if you try to do one, I'ma do 2.
God, this scene is fucking crazy.
Yeah, if you try to do 3, I'ma do 4. Maybe even more. I go by the name of P.O.L.O.
Yeah. Pino, well, do them greasy, yo. No, let them niggas whine. Will, Press, Chiller, all of them niggas die.
And I'm the reason there's no prep.
They gotta improvise.
Against them guys,
we got a notorious record.
Hypnotized.
Squeezing foot.
Take out soul.
We need a bigger size.
This whole class.
Let's go.
This whole class.
Y'all gotta wait. Let him go. Let's turn it up, John, DNA, motherfucking PG killers. It's time.
So if it's clout you chase,
huge mistake.
Ground the lake.
Choose your fate.
Don't be shocked if you get whipped around, okay?
We uber great.
Next trip going beyond the clouds in space.
You should take.
Headshot. Let's see if Mr. Out the gate.
Get through the gate.
Let's go. Let's see if Mr. Out the gate. Get through the gate.
Bleeding to his face red.
We're in a parallel universe first?
Cause not an EMT gotta take meds.
Head lies, 2 crucible niggas.
That's what the deacon at the wake said.
Lay him down, head to foot.
It's just 2 brothers sleeping in the same bed.
You want peace?
That's crazy.
Come on.
That's a fact. These niggas, DNA and John is up there cooking. Two brothers, especially if you ain't got the bump bed. Oh God.
If I got DNA telling me who the pop,
Then who needs more?
I see you made conviction one of your lanes.
Brief story.
Evidently, Foots never had a shot.
Free Tory.
Round
No. This nigga DNA very settled. I need the energy, man. We need K-Shine energy up there. Y'all niggas better find it within y'all too to bring K-Shine energy up there on that stage, bruh.
Like, hey, grab the chopper Foots, turn him into nubs. A B, get soul trapped since he thought it was a grudge. You see?
Nah, nigga, fuck B and C. You got these niggas waiting. You only left with DNA. It's a process of elimination.
The crowd gotta let him go. Nigga say goodnight. Come on, man. Let them go. Right.
Get me the fuck out of here. Get R. Kelly, Young Miami, anybody that got something to do with P the fuck out of here. Fuck out of here.
Oh shit. Oh my God. See, they brought that shit back, man, because the crowd make you lose steam, dog. This is what makes it tough for 2-on-2 teams for real. The crowd be fucking up all type of momentum.
Sound like a gun bar transition. I get lower. I get closer. Creep by the blinds. His girl on the sofa. Bro, lock pick the door. Now it's over. Foots sliding easy. Like loafers. We in there.
Right. Foot sliding easy like loafers. Y'all boys better cook up, man. Right now it's slow. The slow grind ain't gonna work with these guys.
In your house with a 4/5, like bro, man. I'm with the drama. Hit. Go ahead. In your house with a 4/5,
Like bruh, man.
I'm with the drama. Hit DNA with a magazine like Saga. That's only if you
Magazine. With DNA. Oh my God, hit DNA magazine like Saga. Let's go, boy.
That's your luck. Rap and dunk. You better bring your best, bitch. How you go from a partner that's 5'3" to a 6-foot nigga with a
Death wish. That's crazy. The K-Shine slogan flip. I like that right there. They got some dope lines and they putting that shit together, but I don't know if this gonna be enough all night.
Get a little scrappy and lose your mama, D. Take her for
Get a little scrap and lose your mama, D. Told you.
Whoa.
Them boys be having nice little bars that hit very subtle. But they gonna need more than that.
Headshot DNA, and that'll be on his best. The legend died on John Elvis Presley.
Light rounds. Light round, bruh. DNA and them, I edged DNA. Nah, edged DNA and them got the first round clear. Foots and them boys was cool. They gonna have to cook up though. I seen them go crazier than that.
With niggas named SAFLARE, Soul, and Foots.
Yeah, I think battle rap is done.
Come on, man. Leave them niggas alone, dog.
And when we prep, it wasn't us pretending to be 6 other people in existence.
That's crazy. That's a fact. That's a fact. Yo, prep. Yo, come on, man.
It's like the Rugrats. This is Tesla. Foot's electric, like a dubstep. What? Nigga, them last 2 bars ain't even rhyme. No. That's the shit that got me upset. Clock 17. You can't make it in a club yet. I'm from a place where you can barely pull up.
Come on, I'm from a place where you can barely what? Go DNA. I hate when the crowd be liking, they just be liking the setups, man.
That's the shit that got me upset.
Let these niggas get to the big bang.
Take so. Sing some. Whoopsie. I bang one. Don't even gotta spray the glove. You know I watch wrestling. Right. I know the same moves Kurt Angle got. Like what? Like I literally put the strap down for Foot. It's the ankle lock, so step foot.
Let's go. I put the strap down. Come on, man. This battle was probably over, bruh.
So step foots.
The whole sequence and rhyme scheme, them niggas is in there bugging.
Foot soul, soul foot. It's the remix. I like that Maserati.
Let's go.
Oh my God, I swear to God, get these niggas the fuck out of here.
They up there styling on them boys. I promise you, they up there wilding right now. Jeez Louise. Nigga, Ars. Yo, chill, Ars. Let them boys cook, man.
Talking dead. And you just dragging on foot like the walking dead. Come on.
And they just caught that. Told you, man. This is what I'm saying. And they ain't finna do nothing but bring back the bars again. This shit probably over for SAFLARE and them boys, man. Cause John and them, this is light cheese for them.
Ace, she, swear. I mean, they tried developing cannons, but couldn't click it quicker. Polaroid, cause they needed a wave to get in the picture. But fuck your movie.
Crazy. Polaroid, they needed a wave to get in the. This! I'm not about to watch this motherfucking bad. Watch these niggas do that to SAFLARE and them like that.
Nothing to it. Stand apart. Standing sharp. Cause we left undisputed. Y'all remind me of a pair of Pippins. Yeah, John, I got a bunch of those. That mean air on the side of foot? Then you get the bubble, so you wanna know?
Let's go. Bunch of pimpins. On side of soul, bubbles. Come on, man.
We could have stopped 16 bars ago.
I know, man. They really could have.
Clutch, I leave his kicks on fire. Let's see what drop next. Tell Ease and Handle I got a special box left. And they gonna have to verify if that's all authentic. Like StockX.
Right. Now they going at all these niggas. They literally going at DNA like that's him. They going at all of them. Yo, Smack, come on, man. Really the definition of the PG killers. They really up there wilding up all of them niggas.
Hoping they see racks at the end. Now, if I retell a quote, then Bees, I'ma tax you again. You can't resell a goat, but you can sneak a app nigga in. But tell you
Yes, I know. The whole rhyme scheme. It's not even fair at this point. Because they prolonging the show. And SAFLARE and them boys up there looking puppy doggish right now. Puppy dog, what the puppy dog look, man?
You know what got me pissed off? What? Is that they managed by two people that go by the name of P and Cows.
P Cows.
It's the remix to Ignition.
Right.
Track fresh out the kitchen.
Right.
Ain't letting nobody leave without their permission.
Right.
Clone shit is done.
This battle is over, man. Crazy.
John, you not a legend. I'm an icon. And we both cut from a different cloth. Nylon. We let bygones be bygones. These shoes shouldn't try on. It could go from a busted foot to the baby out of nowhere.
They busted from a busted foot. Yo, this. Get in that bag. Spitting that trash. Whipping that ass.
Because I'm still a proud owner of an M16, pumps, Glocks, Max, and a lot of straps. And I got more handguns than battle rap. That's a fact. Trying to check me?
And more handguns than battle rap. Y'all better get to that. Jack Boy, they gonna need your assistance too. You can jump out all you want. These young niggas gonna need it. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, dog.
But you know, I got a young shooter. The nigga really owe me. No, listen, I can have a 20-year-old step like Nome. The young nigga.
Let's go. Get to that. They gonna need more of that though. I'm not gonna lie. They gonna need a lot more than that. I'm telling you. They gotta start styling on John and them. Cause the bars just ain't gonna get it done up there on that stage.
Creeping up behind him and taking light steps. The comedian ain't too far from Gary. Like Mike Epps. I'm up top with the rifle. Y'all gonna die in pain. I walked up on DNA and looked like spiral stairs. Then punched it.
Oh my God. Oh, look like spiral stairs, you know, the DNA. That's crazy.
I'll get up close and put a heater to him. Gas chamber. Give him no breathing room. Then a toolie bang. Toolie bang.
go with that dumb shit. Them 3 lines the same. I know. I know, y'all. I'm just going back to where I started. Like a boomerang.
Crazy. Crazy. I was going back where I started like a boomerang. That's fire. Now that's crazy.
We had so much cushion in the house, we installed insulation. Cameras on the front so we don't get infiltrated. The house had so many blocks. It looked pixelated.
That's crazy. That is fire.
The house had
So many bots. It looked pixelated. It's crazy.
Well, explain. So if it ain't B or C, that leaves a guy. Just like he said.
That's fine.
With DNA. Boom.
Damn, that's tough.
Now you go.
They getting booed. They get booed. Damn, man.
Next shot, he can't even breathe. Then a headshot, a racist memory, like slavery. Don't play. Oh my.
That is crazy. Y'all gotta go. Don't hype this shit up and just go.
Oh, it's the PG. Okay.
That's it. Oh, see, they figuring it out. I gotta get them the benefit of the doubt. That was, but y'all gotta know that everything ain't super crazy. I like that. Wow, air fryer. Come on, man.
Let's take a look at these contracts.
These guys is way too skilled for these boys.
We keep going.
I'm just being honest. They way too skilled for them.
You know what's in it. Let's take a look at these contracts. Go ahead. Let's take a look.
And they got contracts. They brought out the little paperwork. They got props and all.
So what they paying you? 2 apiece. Now you lose your sleep. Can't renew the lease. Your influence weak. So your views increase. You got no room to speak. They gave you a silver spoon to eat. Ain't you an EMT? So how you handle IVs? You can't get a tube release. Let me put myself.
Oh my God. Oh my God. We can't get a tube release. Yo, Smack. This investment isn't looking investable. These guys to this battle rap shit, man. The nigga had the nerve to say Johnny wasn't a legend. He fucked up right then and there. Extra foot.
Can I say something, Jigga? No, I ain't finished talking to this nigga's soul. I'm the one that
Talk to that nigga's soul. I know DNA. It's it. It's a 30 piece.
I'm the one that covered that Holocaust when it was time to. And frankly, while we was going at it, couldn't find you.
Frank and Frank Addict. I caught that. The crowd ain't catch it. I did though.
With this loss, I'm gonna show that it's levels. You gotta crisscross. What? I gotta spell it out, FOOTZ. It's the Crip Walk. You ain't eating.
Oh, I gotta spell it out, FOOTZ. The Crip Walk.
What? I gotta spell it out, FOOTZ. It's the Crip Walk.
This is over. Yeah, there it is. Look at Arts. Arts up there, big great. He Grape Street is a motherfucker. He up there walking like a motherfucker. Let's go. Thank you, baby.
We out here. No. I ain't need no.
It's about over. Them boys, PG Killers, they got the apparel on. They showing off like a motherfucker.
FOOTZ is on you. Let's get it.
Nothing them boys gonna be able to do.
I say goddamn. Goddamn.
Them boys is done. They new to the stage. John and them just showed his levels. It's over. I don't even want to watch this battle no more. I'm literally sitting here doing work while.
Lawsburg, Sam Trench Coat, military style. I'll pack whoever. Go ahead and get FOOTZ shine. I doubt if you want to see patent leather. And I ain't even asked for this.
FOOTZ shine, patent leather.
I'm way too immaculate.
Let's go. The 13th, the 11th.
You remember that situation with Ace? You know he ain't gonna do no harm. You still got that gun on you now? It don't matter. We know he ain't gonna use the arm. Remember Friday after next when Daniel was fucking with Money Mike in the bathroom? Take the tool off, John. Wait, who gonna stop him?
That's crazy.
And who gonna
Take the
stop
tool off, John.
You get hit with a left and a right, then a Don will pay. And I throw a left and a right. That's how we operate. DNA take all. Like not today. He seen a two-piece connect like lingerie. Give me the weapon. Ain't no half-stepping. That nigga running slow as a turtle. He better head back for protection. They wondering why
That's
we on
crazy.
the car.
Head back,
We
turtle.
gifted, brother.
They
Back
said
to back.
nothing? John, the Dom, DNA versus FOOTZ, SAFLARE Soul. This was a body bag.
Friends, my true foe knew what was lucrative.
It was never greedy, it was business. See, we come from block battles.
Y'all come from block to battles.
We never have it easy in the trenches.
But since Jerusalem...
That's crazy. That's crazy, DNA. They see, that's what I'm saying, man. These guys right here, dog, this shit probably be a long night for these two niggas, man. This was, well, first of all, let me say this. SAFLARE Soul in the face-off called John, the Don, the legend. He called him somebody who's not a legend. Like, that shit right there is just disrespectful in itself. Like, for a motherfucker like SAFLARE Soul to call Johnny not a legend, that's kind of crazy. This battle was over from the very beginning. In the first round, I thought Johnny and them boys was mad light. I'm like, man, I think SAFLARE Soul and them about to get crazy on them. Because I heard SAFLARE and Soul, we seen two battles of them boys getting crazy together. And I'm like, if John and them going to be rapping like this all night, it ain't going to be nothing they can do with them two new up-and-comers.
Too much. He damn near caught a stroke before the tools done. I mean, everything stopped on one side, like a school bus. This nigga nervous.
Crazy. Crazy. That's go, nigga.
Everything stopped on one
FOOTZ and them boys is dope, man. Because they got the energy, they got the bars, they got all of that shit, the stage presence and the performance. So I'm like, I don't know about this. Light cheese in the first round by John. I thought they was, you know, they may have been filling it out, right? They call that the fill out round. SAFLARE and them go, and I'm like, damn, but this is light. So I'm like, damn, all right. I'm edging Johnny and them in the first.
From a place where you could daily pull up. One rep, fuck rest, you cut net.
still spinning.
Funk flex,
Knife out.
dunk tech.
I ain't the mother god.
Before I use the butterfly,
I clean on.
it's a blood test.
Fatality.
Oh my God.
The game's
Hold on.
You gotta go, John. They was riding the wave. This nigga John, man, just fucked it up off, you know, conviction alone. Like, they showed why these motherfuckers are the PG killers. Very experienced, and they put that shit together. Second round come around, I'm like, all right, let me see what John and them take it to, because that first round, I'm like, that shit is light. If they coming like that, this battle gonna be ass, and the whole entire battle rap community is gonna flame these niggas, because they was talking heavy, as if these boys couldn't do nothing with them, and boy, was I in for a motherfucking show. Here's where it got black. I don't even want to say dark. And this round was dummy long, because them boys got into that bag where they was dismantling these niggas. They pulled out the fake paperwork, fake contract.
How the fuck does this benefit an artist if they stuck to one league and can't see a payout?
But how the fuck does it benefit the league if they can breach that contract and take the easy way out?
Hold on.
How the fuck does it benefit the league? And it's current. This shit just happened like 2 days ago. This shit is over, man. I'm talking about, you know, this, that, and the third, how Kales and P and just how they had these boys on the string and couldn't do nothing but what they say as managers and motherfucking league owners, man.